Welcome to Crypto Girl. The next ruling in the XRP lawsuit will be the biggest decision in the Ripple case, says the jury. As attorney John Deaton put it, if Judge Netburn finds in the end of the case that the emails must be turned over, that will be monumental. The SEC versus Ripple lawsuit has heated up in recent days following the release of Ripple's 2012 legal memos, which provide guidance on how to avoid treating XRP as a security in the eyes of the Securities and Exchange Commission. However, the lawsuit is expected to pick up speed in the coming days as more documents are released. According to the perspective of XRP holders' attorney John Deaton, Judge Sarah Netburn will shortly be faced with the most significant decision in the history of the Ripple. As previously reported, the magistrate recently ruled on the deliberative process privilege DPP issue with a few victories for Ripple, which was sufficient to be considered a positive outcome for the defendants and XRP holders, as Bill Hinman's speech, as well as related notes and drafts, were not to be privileged. In its capacity as plaintiff, the SEC then filed a petition for reconsideration, contending that what was formerly referred to as personal opinion is now referred to as public guidance. Many people were taken aback by the SEC's 180-degree pivot following the lawsuit, but Magistrate Netburn will literally be the one to decide whether or not they were right. With the approaching ruling in the SEC versus Ripple case, John Deaton, the attorney representing more than 65,000 XRP holders who have been granted amicus curiae status in the case, has expressed his thoughts on the decision, emphasizing how important it will be for the outcome of the lawsuit. It's all about XRP versus ETH at this point. Judge Netburn's ruling on the motion for reconsideration will be the most significant decision in the Ripple case, says the attorney. As he explained, "I say this because I don't feel the request to strike the fair notice defense declaration of rights is a major one, since the judge isn't judging whether or not Ripple has fair notice, but simply whether or not it can defend it," he stated. In the case of Hinman ETH speech, the reconsideration request relates to the 63 emails including drafts and comments surrounding the Hinman speech. Neither Bitcoin nor Ethereum is mentioned in the final version of the speech. XRP regularly contested Ethereum for the number 2 crypto behind Bitcoin in January 2018, 6 months before the Hinman speech. XRP set an all-time high above the $3 mark, making it the world's second largest cryptocurrency. The final version does not allude to or mention XRP. The odds of XRP not being mentioned at all in any of the 63 emails are slim to none. What are the chances that at least one individual in the email chain brought up the topic of XRP during the conversation? In the email chain, there was an opportunity for someone to ask a very logical inquiry, such as, "What about XRP?" Once someone understands how Ethereum was made and employed, as well as how XRP was created and utilized, it becomes extremely natural to ask these questions. In one instance, attorney Wendy Moore, who is the partner at Perkins Coie, a law firm that is well knowledgeable with both Ethereum and XRP, inquired about the matter. To put it bluntly, once you understand the fundamentals of both Ethereum and XRP, it's impossible not to wonder about it. In a letter to the SEC dated December 17, 2020, Joseph Grundfest, who assisted the Ethereum creators, explained why this was the case. The identical question was raised by the Perkins Coie attorneys, who represented both platforms. It's reasonable to believe that the cryptocurrency XRP was mentioned in one of those communications. We know that on June 13, 2018, a memo examining whether or not XRP was a security that had been completed and that it did not recommend that it be put into effect. If this is accurate, the simple fact that the hashtag XRP was referenced in the email as an exculpatory factor. If in the end Judge Netburn finds that the emails must be turned over, it will be a watershed moment. Remember that even if the SEC persuades her that the emails are shielded by the DPP, she has the authority to pierce the privilege and order the records to be produced. If she rules the emails protected, but directs the SEC to provide them, it suggests XRP is alluded to and/or the evidence is actually exculpatory. It is possible that the judge will pierce the privilege if she considers the evidence is exculpatory and Ripple has no other options of getting it other than via litigation. If she overturns her previous work and determines that the emails are privileged but does not penetrate the privilege, the emails, while beneficial to Ripple, are unlikely to be as significant as we believe they are. The reconsideration will be the most significant decision in this case, aside from any dispositive motions that may be filed. Despite the recent bullish surge that occurred early in February, XRP is still plummeting on a daily basis. Russia's invasion of Ukraine continues to be a source of concern for investors in all risk-on markets. A bullish breakout for Ripple is a more accessible and plausible option than it is for many other prominent cryptocurrency exchanges. Recently, the price of Ripple XRP has been subjected to some significant swings. Between January 22nd, 2022 and February 9th, 2022, there was a big increase in the price of XRP. It rose from a swing low of 55 cents to a swing high of 92 cents, representing roughly 70% increase in value. Sellers, on the other hand, reacted negatively to the surge on February 9th, and 12 days later, sellers maintained control. XRP is currently selling at 75 cents per unit at the time of writing this article. The decline from 92 cents to 75 cents represents a roughly 20% reversal from the gain that occurred in January and February. Despite the fact that the market appears to be cooling, selling pressure appears to be increasing. Bears are exerting significant pressure on XRP's daily Kijun Sen, which is now at 75 cents. If the Kijun Sen fails to hold, a flash drop towards 60 cents is quite likely. In addition, the volume profile becomes noticeably thinner, and there is no more Ichimoku support until the bottom of the Ichimoku cloud, that's the Senko Span A at 69 cents. Nevertheless, Senko Span A is located directly on an area of the volume profile where there is little to no participation. If bulls want to prevent bears from gaining any additional downward momentum, they must act quickly and decisively. Confirming support for the Kijun Sen is the first stage in the process. Following that, bulls will need to push hard and quickly in order to break above 83 cents. Tenkan Sen, daily closing price, the top of the Ichimoku cloud, Senko Span B, the most difficult level to cross and the most significant level in the Ichimoku system, and the volume point of control are all included inside 83 cents. In the event that bulls are able to complete a breakout at or above 83 cents, the road to $1 will become much more manageable. Huge number of short sellers will also be caught in the crossfire, and a short squeeze would put an end to any rally in short order. Price of Ripple prediction: price may go below 70 cents. On the daily chart, Ripple is down 2.51%, indicating a decrease in the market value. If the bearish action within the channel continues, the loss might be severe. Traders can expect the trend to go lower as long as the price action remains below the moving averages. To the upside, a breakout over 95 cents, $1 and $1.05 would enhance the bulls' position. More crucially, a crash could throw the market into a bear market. If the price continues to plummet, it will certainly reach 60 cents, 55 cents and 50 cents. Despite approaching the 9-day simple moving average, Ripple's price against Bitcoin has not yet crossed the channel stop border. If the selling pressure continues, Ripple XRP may hit a new bottom soon. Currently, the relative strength index 14 is expected to fall below the 60-point level, indicating that the market is becoming negative. The daily chart shows Ripple XRP at 1980 SAT, with close support at 1800 SAT and lower if the coin falls below the 9-day and 21-day moving averages. However, if the bullish movement occurs and the market breaks above the channel, traders may confirm that the market is in the midst of a bull run, with the nearest resistance levels probably located at 2200 SAT and above. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.